So thanks for watching, and if you're still with me and you're watching these videos, please leave a thumbs up, and thanks for having subscribed to this wonderful YouTube channel where we connect as creatives and discuss about some designs that we may feel like having to design. Okay, so if you're out there and you really love this, leave a thumbs up, and remember you can also support us through our PayPal email that is below this one, or the donate button. It is within the description of these videos, whereby you can support us. You can also visit us on our YouTube channel, on our websites. Those are latest UG music, latest UG music.online, latest UG music.xyz, and latest UGmusic.com. So endeavor to see that you check out, and you can also submit your content on these websites. You sell and earn out of that content. So with this second method, remember I told you we are going to be use feather edges. Okay, so you can type here edge. Okay, so the moment you click feather edges, so we don't want edge, we don't want wedge, whatever, what these roughen edges, we just want this edge feather. So the moment we click, we drop in it and we place it there like that. So it means the moment we play this, so maybe we use the too much feather, so we put it a little bit down to maybe 15. So the moment we happen to play it, so we go here, we get this same feather that we put here, we get it and paste it here. Let us see what happens if we try to play it. Are you seeing that? So we want to increase this and see. So are you seeing that? So basically that is what I wanted to create, whereby these are not a little bit rough. Okay, now let us try to put a shadow and see. Can we put it there? Can they work together? Just this shadow. Okay, no. So that is it basically. Now it means that we are going to be getting this, that is, this one also has to be a 71, and making sure that we place it on each, okay, each of the layers here. So it was pasted. Okay, so if I play it here, so are you seeing that? So with this effect, okay, so are you seeing that? So now, if that is what we basically have, now it is all about you to choose which slide would work for you. Okay, so which one would you, which effect would you prefer to use? So thanks for watching, and in the next video we are going to be looking at how to import a sound track into this photo slide so that it is within the background and it is playing, how to treat it, and how to go around it and export our work. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of MUCIAN's lifestyle, and remember to leave a comment, put a thumbs up, and we love you all. Help me reach out to different people. Help me reach out to different people that could subscribe and watch more of my videos by sharing these videos to someone out there who would love to learn how to design, work with graphics softwares and someone who would look at earning from his content, okay, that he happens to create. So rather consult me, and all the information that you may need is within the description of this video. Endeavor to go and check there, get my contacts, get my email. That is it. Thank you for watching.